Welcome back, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you on board. But if this is not your first time, welcome back, gang. Thank you for rocking with me. Hey, on this channel, by the way, we usually react to funny content, so we just try to have a nice time, chill, and be on some positive vibes. We don't do too much. Today I have a compilation that I want us to check out. This is the 20. Why did I say 20 like that? This is the 20. This is the 20 versus 1 rapper, I think. Let's check out this TikTok compilation and see if we can get some laughter out of this one. I hope this one is funny.
Where'd you get that bag from?
From Fashion File.
Who gave it to you?
Wait. Why is he sounding like that? Where did you get that bag from? And he's asking who gave it to you.
Where'd you get that bag from?
From Fashion File.
Who gave it to you?
I bought it myself. It's one of my big girl purchases.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Why you say that?
Talk your
Nah, you
shit.
good.
That's it.
Nah, it's over.
What?
It's done.
You want to fight?
Tomorrow.
You want to get
What?
punched in your face?
Tomorrow.
What are you saying?
It's over.
Goodbye. Good night.
Why though?
Sorry.
He said sorry. Why though? Why he said no? He thought she was lying.
My name is Tay.
You go to the left, Tay.
What was wrong with Tay, man? She ain't coming with no confidence?
Nah, that one, man. You know, just be little shit I be having going on in my head.
Okay, all
He
right.
just don't rock with her, bro. He said move to the left. That's
How you
crazy.
doing? How you doing, Maya? Oh, you can go to the left, Maya. Your right, my left.
Damn.
All right, so pretty much, man, Huncho, how you feeling about Charlotte females?
Charlotte female?
Yeah, like North Carolina in general.
I fuck with Charlotte, though, because they be lit.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Okay, all right, bet.
BRZ Day 9, my voice gone.
Why your voice gone?
I've been outside.
How you doing?
Good.
You all right? Hey, Lil John.
Left.
You want him? All right, you can go to the left.
Hey, yo, that is disrespectful as fuck, bro. He's asking his homie, do you want her? God damn, his homie said no. She gotta go to the left. Hey, that's mean and disrespectful, bro. God damn. God damn.
You can go to the left. How you doing, Nate?
I'm good. How you doing?
Left.
I'm all right.
You alright?
Yeah,
How old are you?
I'm 30. I'm 24.
You 24?
Yeah,
I'm
but
21.
you can go to the left, though.
Yo, he's mean.
What's up, Tiana?
He might say yes to this one. Let's see.
How you doing?
You all right? Yeah, I'm definitely. You can go to the right.
Yeah. That's valid. She's valid. She's valid, bro.
Don't ask me that, bro. Just send me there.
Yeah. I mean, I knew he was gonna say to the right line.
Want to ask me a question?
Yeah. How old are you?
21.
What's your sign?
What's my sign?
Yeah.
Aquarius.
An Aquarius. So your birthday's coming up.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want for your birthday?
I'm having a party in Utah.
Am I invited?
For sure.
Okay.
Alright, so that she cool then. She cool. All right, for sure. Alright, so look,
I will
out
fly
of these
away.
three, don't. If you had to eliminate one of these, who you gonna eliminate out of these three right here? Not her. These three.
This one right here.
Okay, so she gone.
Oh, bro. I mean, it's his choice, but
We appreciate you though,
Sheesh.
but she gone. Look,
it's his choice, but like.
so we got 3 left, don't? 3 left. Is there anything you want to ask him?
Well, really? We didn't get the full vid. All right. And Lee, wait, how old is she, bro?
Is there anything you want to ask him?
Bro, she don't look 18, bro. I mean,
How old are you?
18.
no. You're not 18. You're not 18. You're not 18. No.
You a baby.
You're a baby.
Love your outfit.
Thank you.
Give him a whiff.
A whiff for what?
What's a whiff, bro?
Crazy. I'm gonna say no.
Whoa, I didn't mean that type of whiff. I meant like a cool little spin, like.
Oh, that what you meant? Oh shit. I just told on myself.
Yeah, you did.
I'm gonna say no, just because I love your outfit too much that you hear me, I hate to take it off you.
Of course.
Yeah,
What?
but I'm gonna say no.
Okay, bro. That I won't lie. That was kind of sleek. I'm gonna have to steal that one. I'm gonna have to recoin that one for myself. God damn, outfit so good. I hate to take it. Oh god damn. Okay. Thank you, NLE. Yeah.
What's up?
I'm gonna say no because you obviously 19.
I'm 20. I'm finna be 21 next month. Shut up.
Tight shit. But it's okay. I like your fit too.
Thank you.
Fit is fire.
I wanna kill my mom. Wanna kill my dad. Wanna kill my grandma.
What?
Oh my God.
What?
You are so beautiful.
Thank you.
But like you too cute. I gotta say no. You too
Damn.
cute. Like you too cute, bro. Like you too cute. Like chill out.
That's a
Like get on the runway or
that's a
something. Why
good
you in,
excuse
man?
to
You
say
pretty.
no.
Hey, how you doing? Be good, man. Hey, how you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Knee.
Nee.
Yeah, like your leg.
I like that. I fuck with that.
Yeah. I'm 21.
21?
Yeah.
Cause
I
you
like
do
it.
something for a man. Can I see a 360? Okay. Now
He's
can you get a
there.
little wrist flex for me?
No.
I don't even know what that is.
I don't either.
I love your hair.
Thank you.
Pink lemonade.
Yeah.
Nicki
bubblegum
Minaj
pink.
type vibes?
No, bubblegum pink.
Bubblegum?
Yeah.
Yeah, smackable. Okay then. Pig. I fuck with you though. What's your name?
Knee, like your leg.
Nee?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot.
Nee.
that quick. My fault.
Damn.
I got
That's
split time
crazy.
memory. I be telling them that. I'ma simply just say no because you a beautiful lady. I ain't gonna lie, like head to toe. I love your feet. I lick 'em.
What
On
the?
some real shit.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I lick toe. I be on that type shit.
I eat the gooches, okay?
Oh, you eat the gooch?
Yeah.
Shit, yes. Hey, I'm just playing those or no. Tight shit. I don't climb trees. I
That
don't
crazy,
climb
bro.
trees. I usually like chop them down. What? How you doing? What's your name?
Dom.
Dom.
Oh, he never hugged anyone.
I like your hair.
Thank you.
I like the Soul Boy outfit too. Shout out my nigga Soul Boy. Even though you ain't hit me up in a little minute, family, but you hear me? You see that shit, the pre-promo type shit. What's your name again?
Dom.
Dom. Where you from?
South Carolina.
South Carolina? What about the North one?
I mean, it's a North one.
Tight shit. I like that. Well, listen, you had both parents in your life?
Yeah,
Why you say it like that?
because I grew up with my mom, but my dad is in my life, so yeah.
Okay. How old you?
24,
24? Damn, I usually fuck with like 30 and up.
30.
Yeah, everybody be getting those because ain't nobody 30 around here. Where the 30-year-olds at?
They
Type
made for
shit.
you.
They is? It's somebody 30 out there?
I was just kidding.
I fuck with them 40 I fuck with them 40s and 50s too now.
Oh, that's-
Don't play. I'll take them down. But I just wanted to say, I'm going to simply just say no just because, like, I don't know. It's just something telling me to say no. But you are a beautiful young lady, and I love your dimples.
Thank you.
And I love your curly hair.
Thank you.
Buenos noches.
That mean good night.
Shit, get with it's nighttime.
Don't that mean good night?
No, you can say hello with buenos noches, can't you?
Nah, what?
that mean
Hola,
good-
¿cómo estás?
Yeah, that was it.
There you go.
And you can be like, hola, ¿cómo te amo, Chapo? ¿Cómo te amo? No, hola. Hola, me amo, Chapo. ¿Cómo te amo?
Do you give hugs?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get a hug?
Yeah.
Okay, I ain't gonna put my makeup on you.
You sure?
Yeah.
Nah, fuck with you. Come on.
Okay.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Bless. What's your name again?
Shalee.
Who?
Shalee.
Shalee.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hey,
Shalee.
NLE's funny dude. NLE's a very funny dude, bro. He's funny.
I'm gonna just simply say no, and I'm gonna tell you why.
Why?
What's the little baby song? I don't like women with makeup. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like once you take it off, you way more beautiful without it.
But I could do both.
True.
That's what I'm saying. But this is what I'm looking at now.
Exactly, bro.
I did what we gonna do.
What's
Take
up?
it off and come
This is
back.
what we gonna do.
What?
You get my man's right here and just let me see. Let me see.
I don't want that nigga.
No.
But hold up.
that's
But how you gonna say you don't like women with makeup and you got a chain on?
That's what they gotta do with.
Hey, chain and makeup, though. Like, what? Chain is not makeup. What you mean? Why you got a chain on? That's an accessory. You can decide to have a chain on or a wristwatch or whatever. It's an accessory. Wait, is makeup an accessory? I don't know. I don't think so. But yeah, but it's still not the same.
But I'm saying it's like if you come as your best, right?
No.
Yeah, but makeup ain't your best, though.
You didn't even let me finish what I was about to say. I had a proposal.
What's the proposal?
The proposal was...
What's up?
I was just gonna say, let me see a picture, send him a picture of you without makeup.
Oh, man.
And then I can catch up to you. But
You said no, it's all good. I'm gonna take that.
Yeah, she happens. Why is it looking like that?
I'm good.
Look like you don't want to be here. You from
Wait, I don't want to make fun. I don't know if that's how he talks or whatever, but why is he standing like that and talking like that, bro? Yeah, I'll see, bro.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Look like you don't want to be here. You from?
I'm from Ontario.
Huh?
Ontario.
Where?
Ontario.
Nah. It's funny. Come on, bro. Nah, it's funny. Who is this guy? I don't even know him, bro.
Ontario?
Mhm.
Why you acting like that?
Why I'm acting like what?
The way you acting like slouchy.
You slouchy.
I know, because I'm high. What about you?
Oh, okay. Now I get it. Now I get it.
I'm just me.
Just you? Yeah, you seem ghetto.
I seem ghetto. I'm not.
Yeah, what you do for a living?
What you do for a living? I want to know.
I make music and make money off of it.
Huh?
I make music and make money off of it. What do you do for
Make
a living?
music?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of music?
Bro,
I'm
what?
versatile. You should
Versatile?
have this. Yeah.
Who?
I'm signed for it.
You signed? By who?
Huh?
By who?
What?
Top.
Top? I don't know. Okay.
But you can go, that's a no.
Look, hold on. Graham. He look like Randy from Monsters Inc. He look like Rando from Monsters Inc. I don't give about none of that.
She came with slippers on, you know she broke.
Damn.
You walking like you out there, yay. You out there shit?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, are you sure?
Shit, I know cocaine when I see cocaine.
Okay, I bet you do.
Okay, you ain't like that one. It was a joke. I was kind of for real. What's her name?
Alicia.
That is funny, bro.
You know what Alicia around with? Deliciosa.
I know that's right.
Do it. It don't. Alicia, Deliciosa. Type shit. I turned you off already. I'm gonna go ahead and say no. I'm sorry.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Beautiful one. I like the way you walk too. I was just playing about this little sexy ass walk.
Hello,
How you doing?
I'm Hazel.
Hazel. I fuck with that. What's going on, Hazel? Bring it in. Hold up. That makeup can't get on.
Okay.
All right,
What's
then.
up? I'm an
just-
artist.
You an artist?
Yep.
You make music?
Yep.
Let me
I
hear
rap
some.
and
Music.
what you want me to rap or say?
You make
What you
music.
want to do?
It's on you, my boy.
He said you gotta do one, but it gotta be 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Spin a block in the Rose Voices, playtime with the big toys. Bob Knight, he the big blood.
Yes!
Suck a heart.
Like that
Spin
gangster
some.
shit. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. You scrapped up in there?
I'ma show you.
Yeah, I know it. I know what you on. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, we can have shit together. Let me know.
Of course.
It's whatever.
Hey, this nigga crazy, bro.
Come on, let Now, I ain't gonna lie, I feel bad because I told her I don't like women with makeup, which I don't.
I look good with both, baby.
But just because you got another gift, another little talent, I fuck with that.
I like a hood nigga.
Man, so I'm hood sometimes. I like to be, we grew from that. Sometimes I'm a suburban dude, but you get the best of both
you gotta
worlds.
be classy but ghetto.
Gotta have a balance.
Bougetta.
Yeah, Bugetto. Like that. Well, you have a good one. I say yes for me. Can I see a walk away? Give me your best walk away.
I gotta do the best one. Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, the energy kind of matched.
That's a normal walk away, but okay. Nah, you good. Sauce up. Oh no, walk up. What's up?
How
How you doing?
Oh, you gonna give me a hug?
Yeah, I'm a hugger.
Hugs. What's
What's going
up?
on? How you feeling?
I'm good. How you feeling?
Good. I'm feeling
You
good.
look cute.
I do?
Yeah.
You think so?
You look alright.
What about me made me look cute?
I just like your outfits. Calm, chill.
Damn, tell my fit.
Yeah, you look
I
cute.
thought you was gonna say my
Your
face
haircut,
or
your
feature.
haircut look nice.
I just got it.
Skin
Thank
look
you.
clear
For real?
for the most part.
A little bit.
little bit.
That shit breaking out a little bit.
Yeah.
Can I see something?
Man, damn. Nah, you didn't have to cut it off like that, bro. He asked if he could see some. Maybe we might have seen something as well. Damn, why you at the wrong time, bro? Damn. At the wrong
Yeah,
time.
you sturdy.
What?
You good. You good.
Swiping her right?
She good.
That shit bad.
Hey,
You
this
starting
guy's
off
funny
good,
as well,
man.
bro.
What you like about that one?
Yo.
She got a nice little aesthetic.
Okay.
See what's going on. Yeah, you valid too. I like curls.
Oh, thank you. I'm Elia. I'm 21. I do choreography and I personal train.
Yeah, we get a 360?
Alright, we gonna see what's up with you.
All right.
You kept her?
She valid.
All right, that's your bet. Let me get my next lady.
He's speaking way high, bro. He's high.
Hi.
I like you got a dress on, okay?
I'm from the Bronx. I'm from Brooklyn.
Oh, you from New York? Let me see. Turn around real quick. Alright, I like you.
Little home Jamaican vibes, President Utica.
Okay, heard you. You valid. We good.
He's high.
We starting off good, you feel what I'm saying? Shout out at your shoot, man. They doing something.
What's up?
You look like somebody I know.
Okay.
You good?
Okay.
You good?
I'm Annabella. I'm a licensed medical esthetician in Cummings, Georgia. My Instagram is Angelic Annabella. What's up?
You valid. I already told you valid.
Period.
Alright. Yeah, she good.
Bro, wait, what was that little spin she did in that sound? Hey, I might be.
Licensed medical esthetician in Cummings, Georgia. My Instagram is Angelic Annabella. What's up?
You valid. I already told you valid.
Period.
Alright.
What was that, bro?
What's that? You 4 for 4 right now, right? God
Yo.
damn.
Hey, yo. Nah, that's funny, bro.
Can I see something?
See what?
360.
Oh, nice. They came back. They came back. That's nice. That's nice. That's dope. Because I wanted to see the ending. You feel me?
That's not a 360.
Damn. Can you do
Damn.
what's 360 plus 360? What's that? An 820? I said 820. That's
What
like
is
two.
that?
That's like two 360s. 720. Yeah.
I'm good at.
Now NLE is smart. NLE is smart. Like he's smart.
Hey, where you from?
Here.
What's your name?
Sushi.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Yes.
Bro, what?
Why sushi?
Hey, this
What do you mean,
nigga, hey, he's bugging me out, bro. I swear, like I can't. He's bugging me out, bro. What is he on? That's no weed, bro.
Sushi?
Yes.
Why sushi?
What do you mean, why? That's my name.
Your name? Your real name? Like, what's your whole name?
Huh?
What's your whole name?
What's your?
That's not your business.
Yo, yo, never in my life have I ever had anyone ask someone for their whole name. That's crazy, bro. He said, what's your whole name? I thought he said his full name until I understand he said whole name. Bro, what? That's crazy.
Can't I get a 360?
No.
You got sushi.
Yo, hey, this guy is funny, bro.
Like, what's your whole name?
Huh?
What's your whole name?
That's not your business.
Can't I get a 360?
No.
You got sushi.
You can't go sushi.
Tell her she can go.
Micah test. How you doing? Let's see.
I just asked questions. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
She seems like she drunk.
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. What's your name?
Hey?
What's your name?
What's my name? Cali, like a California.
Huh?
Cali.
Kelly?
C-A-L-I. Cali.
Your diamond's real?
Huh?
Your diamond's real?
Huh?
Your diamond's real?
Diamond is real? No, I don't think so.
You can go.
I think the reason she's yelling, she might have like a hearing problem because even she couldn't really hear what he was saying. So I think she might have like a problem with hearing and stuff. Cause otherwise, them both together, bro. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. He don't seem okay.
His voice, yeah.
She don't seem okay.
Ask him twice, okay, at least.
It was a no. No, that one was a no, sir.
Here.
What is this guy on, bro? What is he on?
Where you from?
From Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Where are you from?
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Okay. What's your name?
Lil Dump.
Lil Dump.
Shana.
Stephanie.
Stephanie? That's real gold.
Say it again.
That's real gold.
You gotta talk a little bit
Is
louder.
that real gold on your neck?
Find out.
Huh?
Find out.
Huh?
I like Stephanie. She seemed like a freak.
Oh yeah, she
My feet?
A freak.
Oh,
with her outfit you can tell, bro.
I like Stephanie. You can get her, but I like Stephanie.
Hey, that's yes or no for you, though.
Hey, that's a yes. I gotta find out if this will go around her neck.
Don't fall down though,
drink
bro.
up there.
He can't even stand properly. That's crazy.
What you
I like
drinking?
this outfit too.
Oh,
I can't
this
have some.
that? Nah.
You can't have none? You mean? I bet like, where you from though?
I'm from Missouri.
Huh?
Missouri.
Missouri?
Yeah, I'm from Missouri.
Missouri City.
Yeah. Where you from?
I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
I can
From where?
tell.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Oh yeah. Huh?
Yeah, what's your name again?
Justice.
What you do for a living again?
I'm a catering assistant. I model.
A model?
Yeah.
That's the only thing I heard.
What kind of music you done made? Like what's some of the songs?
I'm versatile.
You're versatile. Name some songs. Like what's some songs that like you say is popping right now? From your category, like your list.
You just gotta listen.
I just gotta listen. Why you ain't knowing it? Like, what's your song? Like, what's your, out of all the songs you done made, what's your favorite song?
Little boy.
Little boy? Okay, all right. All right.
Hey, your diamonds real?
Huh?
Your diamonds real?
I don't know. I got this as a gift. I ain't gonna cap, you know. That's my broke ass
Man,
uncle. He
I'm
could have
sad.
stole this shit. I ain't gonna cap on it. He probably stole this shit from somebody. Hey, we not gonna, we asking the wrong questions. Next. Go
You
ahead.
talk too much.
That's, well, hey, you wasn't what I, hey, sorry, my bad.
So how you feel about her, though?
Hey, hey, she cool.
Energy is cool though. Energy was cool. she was being real. Yeah. Damn. Anyways, that's the last part. Nah, she was being real. You know, she said that the she said her chain, she don't know if it's real or not, even though she was a bit aggressive, but she was cool with it. I like it. The feet was fire though. But by the way, that's the end of the video. I hope you like that one. We got a part 2 for this one for sure. So I will react to the part 2 straight after I'm done editing this one. And then y'all should see that one tomorrow. Yes, for sure. Y'all should see that one tomorrow. So thanks for rocking with me, guys. I'll see you on the next video, and we out. Peace.